Most Spectrum TV Select users get this wrong when trying to activate free Disney+. They think the subscription activates automatically the moment they upgrade their plan. But here's the problem. If you miss the activation process inside your Spectrum account, Disney Plus may never connect properly. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many Spectrum TV Select plans include Disney Plus promotions, but thousands of users never activate the benefit correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to activate free Disney Plus with your Spectrum TV Select plan, how to avoid duplicate billing, and the fastest way to fix common activation issues. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is confirm your Spectrum TV Select package actually includes the Disney Plus offer. This is where most people fail immediately. Not every TV Select plan includes the same promotional benefits. Some users qualify through newer plans or limited-time offers only. The easiest way to check is by signing into your Spectrum account online and looking under Services, Subscriptions, or Promotional Offers. If Disney Plus is included, you should see an activation link or a message showing the benefit is available. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users qualify for the offer but never receive the activation email. For example, Alex upgraded his Spectrum TV Select plan and completely ignored the setup email. Weeks later, he realized Disney Plus had already been included the entire time. So always check your Spectrum dashboard directly instead of waiting for an email. Now, once you find the activation option, click the Disney Plus activation link. You'll either sign into an existing Disney account or create a new one. And this part is extremely important. If you already subscribe to Disney Plus, use the same email connected to your existing Disney account. But here's the problem. Many users accidentally create duplicate Disney accounts during activation. For example, Jake originally subscribed to Disney Plus using Gmail, but during Spectrum setup, he used another email address. Now he had two separate accounts and confusing billing problems. This happens more often than people realize. Now in a minute, I'll show you how to fix billing issues if you already had Disney Plus before activating through Spectrum. But first, let's finish the setup correctly. After activation, open the Disney Plus app on your TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device. Then sign in using the same Disney account you linked during activation. If Disney Plus doesn't work immediately, don't panic. Sometimes account syncing takes 10 to 20 minutes after setup. And here's another quick fix many users overlook. If the app keeps showing subscription errors, fully sign out, restart your streaming device, and log back in. That simple refresh solves many activation issues instantly. Now, let's talk about billing because this is where users accidentally waste money. If you already paid for Disney Plus separately before activating the Spectrum offer, check your Disney account billing settings afterward. You want to confirm whether billing is now managed through Spectrum or if your original payment method is still active. Otherwise, you could accidentally continue paying twice. So to summarize, first confirm your Spectrum TV Select plan includes Disney Plus. Activate it through your Spectrum account. Use the correct Disney email, and verify billing afterward to avoid duplicate charges. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.